So hello all, in this video we will talk about a new chapter of class 11th, that is statistics. It is very easy chapter, very interesting chapter, and very new things we will study up in this chapter which we haven't studied in like so far we haven't studied. So काफी easy है, just be attentive, right? So in this chapter we will discuss about measures of dispersion. Dispersion means deviation, right? Whatever deviations are there in the values, so that we are going to discuss in this chapter. So four measures of dispersion are there. First one is range. Range is highest value minus lowest value, right? The gap between two consecutive values or two certain values is range. Range of the data, highest value minus lowest value, or maximum value minus minimum value. Then we will discuss about mean deviation. So basically in this chapter we will talk, in this video we will talk about mean deviation. So mean deviation, we will study. Deviation means changes, like variations, right? So mean deviation means mean deviation about, there will be two things, mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. So it will be different for grouped data and ungrouped data, right? So we will discuss it with the help of the questions, but before that let us discuss the formula. So mean deviation about mean deviation about mean formula is sigma xi minus x bar. X bar means mean and xi means values. So this will be very much clear to you when we will be doing it with the help of questions. Similarly, mean deviation about median is sigma xi minus median upon n. This modular sign means positive values we have to take, right? So just write down this, and now we will discuss about the questions. Now let us understand this with the help of this question. Question number second of exercise 15.1. So exercise 15.1. Question number second. Question number first you have to do yourself. Try to understand it and then answer. And then just try to understand this question number second and then try to do question number first with the help of it. So in question number second we are provided with certain number of values, right? 10 number of values are there. So what is the formula for mean? Mean is equal to sum of all observation upon number of observations. So sum of all observations upon number of observations is 10. So sum value is 500. 500 upon 10 is 50, right? Now xi minus x bar, this is what deviation is, right? So xi minus x bar means 38 minus 50 minus 12, 70 minus 50 20, 48 minus 50 minus 2. Similarly 40 minus 50, 55 minus 50, 63 minus 50, every value is subtracted by 50, right? So these values we have got. Now modulus of this value, because in formula we have modulus, so modulus of these values will be 12, 20, 2, 10, 8, 5, 13, 4, 4 and 6. Now what we have done, we have applied the formula mean deviation about mean. This means mean deviation about mean. X bar means mean deviation about mean is equal to sigma, where I is equal to 1 up to 10, because the total number of observations are 10. So sigma I is equal to 1 to up to 10, modulus of xi minus x bar upon n. So we have added all these values divided by 10. So all these values sums to 84. 84 upon 10 is 8.4. So this is our answer of question number second. So mean deviation about mean for this question is 8.4. So this is very easy. Try to do this question number first with the help of this question. Now the next question is question number 4. So we have to find out mean deviation about median. So mean deviation about median, so we have to determine median first. So this data is given to us. I have arranged it in ascending order because then we will be able to find out median. So this is arranged in ascending order. Median formula is if the n value is odd, even, number of observations are even, then the formula for median is n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2, mean of these two terms. So 10 by 2 plus 10 by 2 plus 1, that is 5th term and 6th term upon 2, So fifth term is 46, sixth term is 49, right? Upon 2, 95 upon 2, 47.5. So median is 47.5. Now xi minus m, deviation we have to determine. So xi minus m means 36 minus 47.5, then 42 minus 47.5, and so on. Subtract all these values by this 47.5. So this is the values which we have got. Now modulus of these values, that means we have to remove this negative sign, minus sign. So every value will be of plus. Now 11.5, 5.5, 2.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, and so on. Now mean deviation about mean is sigma, this mean deviation, this means about mean. So sigma xi minus m upon n, this is I value 10, I value starts from 1 up and goes up to 10. So xi, sum of all these observations divided by 10, that is 70 upon 10, which is 7. So mean deviation about median of this question is 7. So just pause the video and note down.